Hello and namaste everyone. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope everybody is keeping well and fine. My name is Anamika Rana. I'm a tarot card reader and a mentor as well. If you want to know more about me and my services, you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I also have my website which is anamikarana.com and I have shared the link of it in the description box below. Welcome to a new video on Thursday Tarot cards. Like you can see, there are 3 packs of cards in front labeled O, S and R. All you have to do is close your eyes, take a deep breath. You can take multiple deep breaths if you wish to and focus on the cards. There is no hurry absolutely. Just take out some alone peaceful time, focus on the cards and then whichever particular pack of cards you are feeling drawn towards, whether it is O, S or R, just comment that particular card on the tab below. Once again, whichever particular card you are feeling drawn towards, simply comment on the tab below. And once you have done that, you can straight away forward this video to the timestamp which is mentioned in the description box against each of the 3 pack of cards, that is O, S and R. And straight away swipe up to that particular section and listen to your weekly tarot card guidance. Namaste. If you have chosen the first pack of cards, that is O, this week looks like you need a break, you need some cleansing as well. Maybe you have done too much or given too much, and this is the week where you should try to pamper yourself and take it back. Take back your energies, rejuvenate yourself, ensure that you spend some alone time, some quality time in pampering yourself. Also, as far as the relationship is concerned or extra work is concerned, remember that you need to be assertive. Also, at the work front, you need to ensure that don't try to overburden yourself with too many responsibilities or projects. Remember that it's your life, it's your energy, and you have to balance it well if you want to ensure a happy and a good environment around yourself. I also see a new project, a new relationship coming up this week. So just feel happy, optimistic, and be receptive to whatever comes your way. Namaste. If you have chosen the second pack of cards for yourself, which is S, this week is guiding you towards taking a new decision, a new step. It could be either individually or in a teamwork as well. There is also a very high possibility that somebody from your past, a friend of yours, or maybe a mentor, or maybe a guide, a guru, anybody whom you look up to, might hold your hand this week and guide you on a certain path. This path will definitely help you get closer towards your ultimate karmic destination. The best part about this week is that there will be suddenly a speed, there will be action, there will be energy, and I feel that lot of pending tasks that you have been trying to complete since a long time now, but some or the other reason it was getting delayed or pushed or postponed, now will come to a completion stage and you will be super enthusiastic and happy about it. However, because of this kind of happiness and enthusiasm, don't end up tripping or hurting yourself physically, because that's one more message which I am getting for you for this particular week. There is a high possibility that unconsciously or subconsciously you might be just walking somewhere and talking to somebody on the phone or just being absent minded, and ouch, you might end up hurting yourself. So be nice to yourself, be aware and be mindful of whatever you are doing. There is nothing to worry about, just a guidance, and precaution is always better than cure. I also see that this is the week where you should try to invest some time in giving it back to society. It's always a good idea, right? So try to invest your time in doing something good for the people and the animals around. That's the best way in order to balance your karmic energy. So that's all for you for this particular week. If you like this video and if you felt connected with the divine guidance, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon again next Thursday. Namaste and take care. Now, coming down to the last pack of cards, which is R. So, if you have chosen the pack number R for yourself, then this is the weekly guidance for you. Well, it's a week where you need to slow down, or rather, I would say, remember that there are so many things that you need to manage and balance. Don't try to push your energies completely into only one area of life. Remember, there are so many elements which we have to take care of, and then only our life will be completed. So, the first message which is coming for you for this week is that remember to balance and prioritize all the aspects, all the energies, all the areas of your life, be it your work, your relationships, your health, and your mental wellness. All of these have to be given equal and utmost priority. Now, apart from that, I also see a very important message which is basically about starting a new project, or rather investing your finances into a new energy, a new project maybe. So, if at all you have been thinking of starting to save or starting to invest in something, I would say bingo. Go ahead this week and let it all come back to you in a more prosperous and abundant manner. If it is not finances, but it is all about maybe just pooling in your skills or your resources into a new activity or a new project, go ahead. The universe and the masters are completely supporting you. But remember the first message, don't try to overdo or overpush yourself. Remember, it's only when we balance our life that our life is actually able to give us the best returns that we are aiming for. Also, make sure that if you have been trying to connect with somebody for a very long time, maybe it could be a telephonic call, a video call, or just dropping in an email to someone, go ahead and do it this week. So, for example, if you were thinking that I have to talk to a particular friend or a particular relative of mine for a very long time, but something or the other was just coming in your way, or you were not feeling sure about whether I should do it or not, this is the week where you should try to make an initiative and communicate with the other person, because the response might be good and in your favor. Also, I see that there is a very important message which is coming from all the masters, which is saying that whatever you are going through is happening with your master's will. Go through it with a smile. Basically, the masters and the universe are trying to tell you that whatever is happening in your life, whether it's a postponement, a delay, a stagnation, or just a happy news, accept it with complete happiness, with complete receptivity, because that is what the masters want you to do. Accept it with happiness and with a beautiful smile on your pretty face, and that is when the universe will reward you manifold times. So that's all about for you this particular week. Have a beautiful, lovely, blessed week ahead, and I will see you soon again. Namaste. Take care.